Hey bloggers, we're going to have a couple of videos here about blogging and specifically using the iPad app Blogger to access our blogging platforms, and using the iPad app is going to make us a little bit more efficient. So of course, to find an app, to find any app, I'm going to pull down, and I had already typed in Blogger, but if I pull down on my iPad screen, I always get my search bar and I just use one finger to pull down. I'm typing in Blogger, and this is what the Blogger app looks like. Should look kind of familiar. I'm going to sign in. I'm going to pause the video for a second here. And did I just, there we go. I'm just going to pause the video here for a second so that I'm going to log in and you don't have to watch me entering characters. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have all of my username and password entered. I'm going to tap the sign in button, and then I see this screen, which doesn't look like a whole lot. This video we're going to start with talking about changing from one blog to another, because our communicators or often when we're blogging we may have more than one blog, or I'm sharing a blog with another I'm sharing an iPad with another student and I want to flip back and forth between blogs. We're gonna, in a second video, we're gonna talk about this, about creating posts within Blogger. But right now I want us to look at the top left corner here, and the title of the blog that I'm using right now, Golden Unicorns with Yellow Hats, is the name of the group blog. But if I'm this student and I want to go to my personal blog on this iPad or another student's blog on this iPad, I need to find this little gear icon, which is really a toolbox in any app. You always want to look for your gear icon if you want to change a setting. And here the settings, obviously I can sign out if I'm going to pass this iPad to another group member or another student, and they can just sign in. But my second choice here is switch blog. I'll show you that in a second. I can also look at my image resolution. I think I'm going to have us go to original right now. Post order we don't need to change, and really the about features here we're not going to have to worry about right now. But let's say I want to switch to my personal blog. So here for this user, I have two blogs associated with her. If I want to switch to a personal blog, then that's all I have to do. But then again, if I want to go back to my Golden Unicorns blog, then here I am. And that is going to cover the logging in and logging out on our blogs. And thank you very much for watching. So now if I sign out, I can hand this iPad to another student. The next blog will talk about actually making posts. Thanks for watching, and always use your powers for good.